Jai Mata Di. Today we have opened up main engine lube oil purifier and we have cleaned it properly. The problem was that this lube oil purifier was not desludging, due to which little bit of water was being getting into the sump and water level in the sump was increasing. Now guys, there are so many problems that can happen on board ship. Luckily for us, we identified it at a very early stage. We stopped the main engine lube oil purifier. We opened, we found that the complete this tank and everything was full with sludge because the bowl was not opening and desludging the sludge out. Now, important thing was to identify what went wrong and why was it not desludging. We identified that one of the holes through which the opening water drains out were choked. And see, it's a very small hole which can create a problem. And when these things happen, these problems can have big effects. Guys, when I talk about purifiers, you always need to understand you can have Mitsubishi purifiers or you have alpha level, alka purifiers. Always remember, reading manual is all that you need to do, and you need to know why. How is the purifier starting and why is it starting like that? How is the purifier closing and why is it closing like that? How is the purifier opening, that is desludging, and why is it doing that? Those whys are very important. So many times I go on board ship and I ask my fourth engineers, third engineers, why is this happening like this, and they do not have a proper answer. That means the basic concept, the basic why is missing from their life. Guys, please don't do that. Purifier is one of the most important machinery, and it's such a complicated thing at times because of so many O-rings at every place that even if a small mishap happens at any point, it can have a big consequence. So you need to know how to start a purifier. You need to know how to properly stop a purifier. You need to know how a purifier desludges and what you need to see when a purifier desludges. So guys, right now since the purifier has been opened and all the parts have been cleaned so that they look well explainable, I'll go take you down and I'll show you how a purifier, what are the important parts, what need to be checked. I won't be speaking loud so my voice might not be clear, but still I'll try to give you an answer. Jai Mata. Are your promotions slow? Not getting the respect that you deserve on board ship? If you are a marine engineer who is looking for faster promotions and earning respect on ship, then don't worry, Merchant Navy Decoded has your back. Introducing excellence packages for every rank now. You want to learn about purifiers, compressors, electronics, automation, MEGI engines, RT-Flex, ME engines. Don't worry, we are there. Learn anytime, online, offline, whether you are on land or on board ship. Engineers who invest on upgrading themselves, they lead. What are you waiting for? Go to the description box and you will find different ranks, different excellence packages. Start investing now. Jai Mata Di.
Guys, these are all the parts of the purifiers kept over here. Now, these are the set of O-rings given. There are so many O-rings kept over here. And this is a special kind of silicone grease that we apply on the O-rings before putting it. Now guys, this is the main bowl in which your oil, water, everything comes over here. And this is rotating at a very high RPM because it is on the shaft down below. Right? This is your sliding bowl. When this bowl goes down or opens, then only sludge goes outwards. This is my upper distributor ring, guys. This moves up and down. When this moves up, the closing water stays and it keeps the bowl closed. When this moves down, it drains the closing water and the bowl opens. Always remember, these sealings are very important. Teflon sealing. This is your gravity disc, guys. And can you see? The size of this gravity disc is 61 mm. That is, the inside diameter is 61 mm over here, guys. Gravity disc has got its own role that I am going to discuss later. These are the disc stacks through which the oil comes in and gets purified. How? You see, each disc stack has got these holes and this gap over here. These are called cocks. C-A-U-L-K-S. It is because of these cocks that there is a gap. So oil identified between these discs. I am going to discuss later, guys, on theory part. But it is very important that the number of discs are same and they are in good condition for purification. Very important. The interface between water and guys, from inside over here, the oil comes, dirty oil comes. Then it goes inside over here and it gets clean inside the disc tag. The interface between water and oil is over here. Between this and this part. Okay guys, somewhere over here. If the interface moves outwards, oil will go from here. Loss of oil. If interface moves inwards, water will go into the oil side. Very, very important for you to know. This is your main seal ring, guys. It is made up of Teflon and it is not in good shape. We will have to change this. We will have to change this, guys. It is very important. Can you see this groove over here? There is a small groove over here because this comes and sits over here. This groove is coming because of this part over here. Copy, guys? This place should be in good condition. All these should be in good condition. These are the nozzle holes which are choked, due to which the bowl was not desludging. Very important, guys, should be clean. This is a centripetal pump, guys. It does not rotate itself, it stays like this. But oil comes from here, goes inside and then goes out. Copy, guys? This is your shaft moving. Very smooth, guys. Very smooth. This motor turns and your shaft rotates. Your opening water and closing water comes from over here. When these solenoid valves get activated, your opening water or your closing water or your displacement water, oblique sealing water comes from these solenoid valves over here. We are going to check the flow rate as well. Over here we can check the amperage and everything. That's all right now, guys. There's a lot more to study.